2025 is coming, and it's time to revamp your look with the hottest hair colors of the season. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance shade or a bold transformation, this year's hair color trends are all about rich tones, natural finishes, and head-turning styles. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 hair color trends 2025 that will elevate your style and boost your confidence this season. 1. Golden Copper. First on our list is Golden Copper, is the ultimate winter shade, blending rich gold and copper tones with lighter, sun-kissed ends. It's warm, vibrant, and perfect for creating that cozy winter glow. Best for skin tones, works beautifully on fair skin with pink undertones, but can also suit medium skin tones. Pro tip: use a color-safe shampoo with UV protection to maintain the brightness of your golden hues. 2. Cherry Cola. Up next is the Sultry Cherry Cola. A deep red, with hints of purple, is both sultry and sophisticated, making it an ideal choice for winter. Cherry Cola adds a stunning richness to any hair type, elevating your overall look. Best for skin tones, universally flattering, especially on olive and medium skin tones. Pro tip: enhance this shade with a gloss treatment every 6 to 8 weeks to keep it vibrant. 3. Warm Bronde. Craving a natural, effortless look? Warm Bronde is your go-to. A perfect middle ground between blonde and brunette, Warm Bronde exudes effortless chic. This sunlit color combines warm tones with a natural, lived-in look. Best for skin tones, suits fair to medium skin tones with warm or neutral undertones. Pro tip: opt for balayage highlights for a low-maintenance style that requires touch-ups only twice a year. 4. Candlelit Brunette. Warm, glowing brunette tones are stealing the spotlight this winter. Candlelit Brunette features deep brown shades with auburn undertones, adding dimension and softness to your hair. Best for skin tones, ideal for fair and medium skin tones with warm undertones. Pro tip: a lightweight hair oil can enhance shine and bring out the natural warmth of this color. 5. Champagne Blonde. Looking to shine bright this winter? Inspired by Ariana Grande's glamorous Wicked look, Champagne Blonde is a sparkling, golden hue with a hint of peach. It's perfect for adding brightness to your winter wardrobe. Best for skin tone, but can also complement medium complexions with neutral undertones. Pro tip: prevent brassiness with regular toning treatments. 6. Honey Bronde. A blend of caramel highlights and bronze undertones, Honey Bronde is luxurious and versatile. This shade brings out warmth and depth, especially in layered hairstyles. Best for skin tones, works wonders on olive and dark skin tones. Pro tip: incorporate a deep conditioning treatment to keep caramel highlights soft and lustrous. 7. Deep Espresso. This rich, glossy brunette shade is timeless yet trendy. Deep Espresso offers depth without looking flat, making it a sophisticated option for winter. Best for skin tones, complements all skin tones, especially fair and medium complexions with cool undertones. Pro tip: switch to sulfate-free shampoo to protect this color and prevent fading. 8. Sultry French Vanilla. Golden and creamy, French Vanilla Blonde is effortlessly chic. Inspired by Sabrina Carpenter, this shade is perfect for winter, adding light and dimension to your hair. Best for skin tones, suits fair and medium skin tones with warm undertones. Pro tip: layered haircuts enhance this color's natural shine. 9. Dark Chocolate Brown. Rich and multidimensional, dark chocolate brown blends warm and cool undertones for a versatile winter look. It's a foolproof option for those seeking a classic yet modern hair color. Best for skin tones, flattering for all skin tones, especially medium to dark complexions. Pro tip: maintain vibrancy with a weekly color depositing mask. 10. Smudge Shadow Roots. For the ultimate low-maintenance option, Smudge Shadow Roots are a game-changer. This technique blends your natural roots with lighter ends for a soft, grown-out look. Best for skin tones, Works for all skin tones. The color can be customized to complement your natural base. Pro tip: extend time between salon visits by using a root touch-up spray. Hair color maintenance routine. To keep your winter hair colors looking fresh, follow these essential maintenance tips. Use color-safe products to protect vibrancy. Schedule regular touch-ups to maintain depth. Hydrate weekly with deep conditioning treatments. Apply heat protectants before styling to minimize damage. Trim split ends to maintain a polished look. Ready to transform your look with one of these stunning shades. Hair Color Trends 2025 is all about embracing bold, luxurious, and low-maintenance hair colors that enhance your natural beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair and beauty inspiration.